Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BB Kivin, also BIBYKIVN grill mat. It's a floor protection, as you can see. This barbecue grill protection mat it's made of silicone fiberglass. It's fire protections, man, with a heat resistance of up to 650 degrees Celsius. This heat protection mat is foldable. It's a barbecue grill mat for gas and barbecue charcoal grills for the floor and lawn. And the bad thing is, you can install it on the grass surface, as you can see, because there are spikes included. We protect our patio and our green. This fireproof grill mat offers an optimal protection for our patio, for grass, preventing lawn and concrete from food stains, grease splashes, and stains and burns. We have here high quality fireproof materials. They use more advanced fireproof materials for that grill mat. It is made of fiberglass and offers a heat resistance of up to 650 degrees Celsius. The mat also has a high temperature resistant silicone coating on both sides, which makes it fireproof, waterproof, and oil resistant. And it's good for a sand bath too, if you see. That means you're protected against water coming from the grass, for example. So multi-power. This mat comes to us. It finishes black, as you can see, and it is a good surface to protect our floor and protect our grill between everything, nearly everything, of course. We have a flat without raised edges. These outdoor grill mats are characterized by a sophisticated envelope design that stays flat on our surface for the patio without the edges curling. This eliminates tripping hazards and makes it easier to move the grill. And it's easy to clean because it is a surface made of silicone. So you can easily use a cloth to clean the surface. That's cool and easy. And of course, the outer grill mats are designed to be waterproof. It can be easy to rinse with soap and water or a garden hose. The reusable barbecue mat can be reused after washing and drying, and the grill mat folds up for easy storage. The mat also comes with a storage bag, and is versatile and widely used. This product is suited for different situations. Whenever we in our garden or on the patio or on grass, it effectively keeps this area free of grease, waste residues, and of course, it protects against burning. No fire because high fireproof. That's a really cool thing if you are like barbecues. And nearly everyone likes barbecue, isn't it? Oh, yes, of course. We enjoy the perfect barbecue and protect our lawn, pasture, and home. They are committed to deliver the highest quality products. This fireproof barbecue mat allows us to have a clean and tight surface doing outdoor grilling activities and prevents the grill from leaving burn marks on our lawn or patio or on our grass fields. And of course, there are different sizes to choose from on the market. I choose here, I think that was the big one here because my grill is a little bit bigger. But it matches, as you can see. And it matches for storage two grills too. This is the BB Kevin grill mat. This is the floor protection. And its heat resistance up to 650 degrees Celsius heat protection. It's a foldable grill mat for gas barbecue and charcoal grills, for floor, lawn, and of course for our garden, so grass area, for example. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.